So as you can hear, she's quiet. She got one tip in the back. One tip in the back for now, but that's about to change. Dropping her off to the muffler shop. She's about to get a new sound. It's on the way. She's going in. She's going in to the muffler shop. Alright, so I'm here picking up the old box Chevy. Want to hear how she sounds? Let's see. Yeah, I like that. She sound good. She's riding. Let me roll the window down a little bit so you can hear that growl. She riding. Deep too. Needed. I gotta have the car sounding strong when I hit the gas. Just do something to me where you can just have that whoa, 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 whoa down the block. Yeah. So got the car back. It's 1 o'clock. Headed back to the shop. I got work to do. Okay, so I can say after putting this exhaust on here, she's wide open now. Every pat in the gas, I can hear and feel. Throttle response is so much better now. I feel like I'm cruising a nice muscle car. Big difference, night and day. This car drives so much better now. It's a little bit faster now, so I done gained some horsepower